This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Dow component UnitedHealth is trading an all-time high after beating top and bottom line earnings this morning. Taking a look back, stock topped out right around 287 at the end of 2018, entered this rounded correction, which returned to the high in December, giving way to a breakout and a couple of higher highs into February when the bottom dropped down during the pandemic, trading a failed breakout, just like so many stocks at that period. It fell to a multi-year low and recovered very rapidly, coming back to the prior high in May of 2020. Now, it broke out fairly quickly, but then it edged into this very shallow rising channel, so it was giving shareholders a lot of grief because it kept dropping back below these new support lines, one here and one right here. Momentum finally picked up after the third trip to the 200-day moving average in about the end of October. Took off in this very rapid advance that flamed out very quickly right up around the 370 level in November. Well, that marked the high for the rest of the year. It came back up here in January, failed to break out, came back down to this trend line for the fourth time since around June, right at end of February 2020, and then took off again, breaking out in March. Well, it's consolidating a new high, and it's trading about 382 this morning. So it's in good stead to finally make a trip up to the 400 level. Now, analysts predict the fair value on this stock is around 410. I think we could cover those 30 points fairly rapidly. We may not be wise to expect more because the stock also pays a 1.15% annual dividend and tends to be kind of a slow mover, even though it is a top-down performer. So it's that isn't really expected to be a big momentum play, but it's a good steady growth stock in many portfolios.